Hello everyone, let's start today's HTML practical session, and today we will create a form in HTML which we have already discussed in the previous video. So let's start. First we will open the notepad. HTML first tag. Head tag is used to give title to the page. Then after head, title, learning about form. Any title you can give. Title close, head tag close, then body start. In body we can give any BG color, let it be pink. That should be light color because it's a background color. Inside body, so we have to create a form, and to create a form the first tag will be form tag. Then we can give the heading, and for heading I am selecting H2, and there are 6 sizes available heading size, so you can take any size H1 to H6. I am taking here H2. Let it be blood donation camp form. This is the heading. H2 close. Then we will give please fill the form. P align at the center. If we want, then we will give P align equals to center. Please fill up the form. Then first is name, and before every heading we will give P tag so that we can get the space after every heading. P gives one blank line space, that's why we are giving P here. P is a container tag, but it's not mandatory to close that. It will work without closing tag also. So I am writing here P tag name. First is name, fine. Then text field. Text field, how do you make? By using input tag. Input type equals to text. Now name, size, values are the attributes of text field. Name is not needed, I am just showing you how to use, because name we use in when we give the checks, or when we put the checks or give validations, apply validations, okay. And in JavaScript we use all these, so for that purpose we use name. So you can take any name. In HTML it's no use, because in HTML we only design, we are not applying any checks or validation here. Size, width, it will fix the width of text field, so let it be 30. Now after name I am giving address, same input type equals to text. Then name I am not giving here. Then size, and the size of address will be more than text field, more than this name, so I am giving here 40. let's make one more field, and that is the name of the school. This will also be text field. Input type equals to text, size equals to 40. So 3 text fields we have made: name, address and name of the school. Now the next is password. Password is not needed, but just to show you how to use password, I am making this. Password will be heading, because we are making blood donation form. Password is not needed, but how to give password, just to show that. Input type equals to, now it will not be text field, its type will be password. If you give type equals to password, then whatever you write in the text field, it will not be visible. Instead of the alphabets or numbers, asterisk sign will be visible. And in password we can give the maximum length, and here the maximum length I am giving 6 or 7. Fine. What does it mean, maximum length equals to 6? It means that maximum 6 characters you can insert, not more than that. Then size also you can fix, width of text field, size here I am giving 30. So this was password. Now the next is gender. In gender we will make 2 radio buttons, male and female. So for radio button, input type equals to radio, name will be same. If I make 2 radio buttons, then the name of all the radio buttons will be same. You can give any name. Here I am giving gender. Value, so 2 radio buttons will be male and female. The first value will be male, and this which we are writing here, this will be visible as a heading. So whatever heading you have given over here, that should be value. This 2 should be same. Now for another, I am copying paste. Radio, name, gender will be same, and the value will be, instead of male it will be female. Fine. Okay, one more thing, if you want that one should be checked when you open the browser, one should initially be checked. Fine. So if you want to make it checked, for example female, then the attribute will be checked equals to true. Okay. Now the next is, after gender, let the next heading language known. For that, P languages known, let it be languages known. So there can be more than one language. So for that, instead of radio button we will choose check boxes, because in check boxes we can select more than one option. So first, to make checkbox, input type equals to checkbox, name, again name will be same for every option, let it be language, then value. So first language, suppose you are taking English, so here I am writing English, and the heading will also be English. Now we will make 3 languages options, so 3 times I will write the same. I will change only language. Instead of English, now I am writing here Hindi, and here French. Same changes we will do here, Hindi, and here French. Fine. So we have made 3 options for checkboxes, and same case, if you want to make one of these or two among these checked, so we will write checked attribute. Suppose you want to write checked in, you want to click on Hindi option, so you will write checked equals to true. Fine. And when you see on the this web page on the web browser, you can tick English also, French also, but initially if you want that Hindi should be checked when you open the browser, for that we will use checked equals to true in Hindi. Fine. Okay, so this was about checkboxes. Now after language is known, we will make 2 buttons. And for that we will use input type equals to submit. You might have noticed when you fill the form and click on submit button, information goes somewhere, and where it goes to the database. But in this case, information will not go to the database because we have not linked our web page with the database. Input type equals to submit, and the value, whatever you will give value, that will be written over the button. So value, I suppose I want submit only, so I will give submit. Similarly, we will make reset. Reset function is when you click on reset, it will clear all the contents or text written inside the fields. So it will clear the form so that we can write the new entry. This is the purpose of reset button. Input type equals to reset. Value equals to, suppose we want to write reset. Fine. Now we will close the form, and then we will close the body tag, and at the last we will close the HTML. Now we will save it. On desktop, suppose we want to save with the file name new form. I am giving new form, but the extension is must, that is .html. Fine. So let's see, minimize it, new form. So this is the output. Blood donation camp H2 we have given heading. Please fill up the form. At the center we have given name, address, name of the school, password, and this checked equals to true we have done in female, and Hindi XYT is selected. These 2 options are selected initially, and submit and reset. buttons. Fine. So in text field we can write any text. Address, you can write any address. Password, whatever you write, that will not be visible, and it will not accept beyond 6 characters. Asterisk, if you can see, it is asterisk, not any alphabet, not any number. Fine. This is already selected. Language is known. If you want to click on English, you can click here, because more than one option you can select in check boxes. And when you click on submit, information goes somewhere, but it will not go to the database, as we have not linked the web page with database. Fine. And if you fill the information and then click on reset, then it will also clear the information. Fine. Actually, what is the difference between submit and reset? Submit actually stores the information in database, but reset simply clear the information so that we can we can fill the next entry. Fine. All right. So now if you want to make it more attractive, if you want to give colors to the buttons, and here also in the text field you can fill any color. So you can give, okay, I am telling, for that in text field we use style. Fine. Style equals to background color. Background color without space we will give, let it be blue. I will take blue, green, any you can take. So for that, style equals to background color hyphen, background color, between background and color hyphen sign will be there, then colon, and then color name. This is the syntax. It's not given in your book, it's not in your syllabus, just to show you. Fine. You should know how to give the color to the buttons. So you can try out these options also. Suppose in button also, if you want to give any color, for that the same thing you will apply. Style equals to background color suppose you want to give background color red, for that colon red. And you can give padding also, padding like cell padding, distance between border and content. So if you want to give padding here, so you can give padding also 2. Fine. Because on button you are writing submit, so distance between border of the button and content is submit, that will be 2 pixels. Fine. And this semicolon should be closed. Like in reset also, if you want to give change the color of reset, not background, change the color of reset, for that option will be style only, attribute. Style equals to, instead of background color we will use color red, so it will show you red color text reset. And if you want to we can disable the button also, so that we cannot click over that. Sometimes you might have noticed that buttons are present, but you can see the button but you are not able to click that because we have made disable. So we can make disabled button by using the property disabled. Disabled equals to true. Fine. So let's see, we will save it, minimize it, and refresh it. So color, text field color blue, submit button background color red, and the reset is red. And see, we are not able to click on reset button because this has become disabled. This is enabled. So you can make similarly submit also disabled. In the same way you can make. I hope you have understood this. So you can try these options or this web page. You can make the similar form or another form also. You can try out this. I hope you have understood. So thanks for watching. That's it for today. Thank you.